Hi everyone, it's Nisha. Welcome back. So today I wanted to do a video, one piece, five different looks. And today I'm going to use this top. This is not about specific clothes because I don't know if these things are still available. I've got some things that have been in my wardrobes for ages. It's just about the style of the top. And I absolutely love the halter neck tops. I think there is something very elegant and somewhat sexy showing just your shoulders. I don't anymore like much low-cut tops where you flash your boobs. I think this is much nicer. I have another top similar to this. You won't be able to see, but it is halter neck as well, like this. It just has frills on the shoulders and like a simple halter neck camisole. This one is old from Mango, but I really like these types of tops. So I thought I'd show you how I would style it in different ways, in some casual ways and maybe more formal, going out and all that. So because it's hot right now, I have this top with shorts. I'm going to put my high heel shoes, although you could wear it with flat shoes, but I suppose this is quite elegant. You can make it sort of casual, smart casual, but not too casual, because this is, you know, that sort of fabric and pattern that it is more of a elegant or smart casual. So the first outfit, I've put it with linen shorts, but again these are more of a tailored linen shorts. I think these ones are from Arcade, and I put a little black stretchy belt. This one is just from Amazon, and I have the usual perspex shoes from Zara. These shoes are my most used shoes, because when in doubt, if you don't know what color to put on your feet, these just go with everything. I wouldn't put black shoes with this outfit because I think that would look too severe, especially that my legs are out, the shorts are quite light, so I would not put black shoes with that at all. So I thought this is really nice, smart casual look. Of course I could wear flat sandals with it, some pretty sandals. I was also wondering if I could wear this with a blazer. So this is River Island blazer, probably not available anymore, but you can find these blazers everywhere, and that looks even more elegant. If it's a bit, you know, chilly, you can put that on. I think that's a good look as well, but also you could put long cardigan on, and I have one in like a beige color from Phase 8, so let me put the cardigan on. And this is with the long cardigan. This I really like. Again, if you've gone somewhere for lunch or evening dinner and it's warm, but you're worried that you might get a bit cool in the evening, it's so nice to just put nice cardigan. This one is linen, so it's not very thick. So that's how you can wear this blouse with shorts. Now this outfit is again smart casual. I'm wearing black jeans, but they are sort of crop straight and they are very black denim, so they don't look too casual. And now because they are black, I have black shoes on. That is fine because it continues with the black color of the jeans. If I had white trousers on, I would not put black shoes on, but obviously with the colors of this top you are a bit limited what colors you can wear with it, so like creams, beiges, blacks and white. So to me this is really comfortable look because I have very stretchy jeans on, but they still look nice and somewhat elegant, and not a very high heel. These are last year from Zara shoes. And this time I only tucked in the front of the top. I could do a belt. Let me bring my Gucci belt. I'll show you how nice it looks with the Gucci belt, but it is too big, so I just hold it. Obviously it doesn't have to be a Gucci belt, but like a wide belt with maybe gold buckle or something like that, I think it looks really nice. So got so much of it. I don't have a, let's hide this bit. But you see, it adds something to it. So maybe any black belt with sort of gold buckle would look really nice. Now this is as casual as I would go with this top. So I have on another pair of jeans. These are slim, straight, but the black is not black. Black is more of a washed out black, and I just have quite nice flip-flops on. So I wouldn't go any more casual than that, but instead of flip-flops I could wear these. So these were my Tory beige flip-flops, but I could wear these. These are just from River Island, like slide-on moccasins. The next look is with any white trousers, whichever look best on you, whichever you feel the most comfortable in. Also you could do it with white jeans, but again I would stick to more of a smart shape, so straight leg, not like white skinny jeans. These are very, very old trousers, so I don't even remember. I think they are from Zara, but I think this works with white trousers, even though the top is not white, it's sort of cream or beige, but I think it still works with white. And again, I could wear white shoes with it, but definitely not black. It would be too big a contrast. And I could probably wear white shoes with it, but I prefer to stick to those simple see-through shoes. They go with everything. Now this is definitely much more going out. I have these black bell-bottom trousers, definitely black shoes with it, and also nice structured blazer. This is very formal. Well, I'm ready to run the country, and there is a vacancy in the UK for Prime Minister. I think this is absolutely wonderful look. I love suits. The only reason I don't have I wear many because I've got nowhere to wear them, but I think this is beautiful, beautiful outfit. I mean, you could wear that to a nice dinner, obviously to a meeting. You could wear that to work. If you work in office, you could wear that to work. And even if you took that jacket off, I think this is not too much for work, is it? It's been years since I've worked in office. Yes, I quite like this one. If I told you about these trousers, you wouldn't believe it. So these trousers are from Morgan. I don't think Morgan even exists anymore. These trousers been with me through me being slim. When I've put weight on, I don't know, they just seem to stretch with me. Obviously they are tighter sometimes than others, but I've had these, I will tell you, they are at least 22 years old. Can you believe it? They look like new. They've served me for so many years, and even when I put quite a bit of weight on at some point in my life, I would not get rid of them because I love them so much, and I'm so glad that I kept them because they fit perfectly. They are even actually a bit loose in my waist now, but I can put a belt on. Yeah, these trousers are not going anywhere. Maybe I should be buried in those. I think I might put that in my will if I still fit in them. By the way, that fitted blazer was from Zara and I bought it not that long ago. Right, my lovely, so again, I will maybe find some similar tops because I don't know if this one is still available, but similar tops, because obviously they don't have to be this color, but it's more about the cut of it and the style. I think it's very flattering and I think you would look good on almost everybody. So if anything that I had here is still available, I will list it down below, but this was more to give you ideas how to style that sort of top, more than it wasn't a haul basically. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.